Starting today with one of the most important, Copilot will be available on the Windows 11 desktop. And with a single click, you can launch Copilot, and your AI companion is instantly available. It's informed by what you're doing on your PC. Copilot will also be available across the entire Microsoft 365 offerings. Here you see it in PowerPoint, in Excel, and in Teams, with the power to harness all of your work data and intelligence. And of course, we're going to have Copilot in Edge, ready to help you across your entire web experience. And Copilot is built on top of Bing Chat, so you can harness the full power of the internet. Now, it's not just an app or a chat window. It's woven throughout your entire experience.
Here you see a long email. Oh gosh, what a wall of text. I'm trying to figure out the places around this venue that I can go visit while I'm here. I see those places in this email, but I wonder how far these are from here. It doesn't say. As soon as I copy the text, Copilot appears and offers suggestions for what to do next. I really just need it a more readable, and I want to know how far they are. In seconds, all of this information is neatly organized. And it even tells me how far away each location is, doing that research for me. But I only want to see the options that are less than a 10-minute walk away. And it does that too, by translating from miles to minutes. Did you see that? I said I wanted to walk, and it knew that telling me how many minutes was a lot better than telling me how many miles. That was so easy. And now I'm ready to send it back. Next, we're excited to share a brand new feature coming to Windows, Ink Anywhere, which means you can use your pen to ink in any text box anywhere in Windows 11. Let me show you how the pen and the power of Copilot come together to complete a task. Let's use a simple example. How about math equations? Have you ever tried to write a complex math equation with your keyboard? I'll tell you, it is not easy to do. With Ink Anywhere and Copilot, you can write complex math equations into the text field and get an answer immediately. Pretty simple, huh? But what if that math problem includes a graph? How can Pen and Copilot help? Since you can use your pen across apps like Snipping Tool, watch as you can use the pen to snip a photo of the math problem. You see Copilot immediately start solving just from that snip. And not only does Copilot solve the math problem, which feels magical, but trust me, it's real and powerful, but it explains how to solve it. And this serves as a great learning moment for all those future equations you'll need to solve.
Today, I'm excited to introduce several incredible new features coming to Bing and Edge. One of the most valuable and yet underserved categories of search is shopping. And I love shopping. With the introduction of AI-powered Bing, we made shopping easier. Soon, we're taking that to the next level by introducing your Copilot for shopping. Let me give you an example. My nephew loves playing soccer, and I want to get him some new cleats. I'm not an expert, so Copilot in Microsoft Shopping will guide me to find the best pair by asking smart questions like his skill level, which is not something I would have thought to consider. Next, it asks me to choose the type of field he'll be playing on. I can even compare my options of top-name brands from thousands of online merchants. I can get summarized reviews, including the pros and cons of the shoe, and Copilot gets me to a recommendation. I can even find the best price and online promo codes. You can see that at Edge, we have built-in coupons and cashback, making it incredibly easy to save money when you shop. The shopping features in Microsoft Edge delivered more than $4 billion in savings in the past year. I'll also be able to use a photo or saved image as a starting point for my shopping. My nephew saw a pair of cleats that he loves and sent me a picture. I can use that picture to quickly find something similar. A bit flashier than what I picked, but regardless, Copilot for shopping made it so easy for me to make a confident purchase. It's like having my own personal shopper. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting capabilities of AI, creating images with just words. Bing Image Creator was the first to add AI image generation to chat, making it easy for you to create any image you can dream up. And people love it. Soon, we'll be upgrading to the new Dall-E 3 model from OpenAI, making Image Creator even more powerful. You can expect breathtaking images. Even the little details like fingers and eyes and shadows are going to be dramatically improved over previous versions. Let's say I want to create a gaming avatar, inspired by the awesome new Starfield game. With the latest Dall-E model, all I need to do is describe the image I want, and I get stunning options in no time. And I can modify images directly in chat. The combination of chat and image creation makes it incredibly easy to refine images until I get it just right. But it's not just the quality of the images that's improving. We're also making it easier to identify images that have been created by AI with content credentials. Now, every image generated is marked as created by AI using cryptographic methods for better transparency. All right, because I can't get over how amazing the new model is, let's take a quick look at the side-by-side comparison of the new Dall-E 3 model to the previous model. It's the same prompt, but because the model now understands the prompt better and is more powerful, the difference is incredible.
Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant at work. After months of learning alongside hundreds of customers like Visa, General Motors, KPMG, and Lumen, I'm excited to share that Microsoft 365 Copilot will be generally available for enterprise customers on November 1st. I'm excited to introduce one of my favorite new features in Outlook, Sound Like Me. It's going to take this email from good to great. Let's hop over to Outlook to refine the email. So you like this draft, but it just doesn't sound like you. With Sound Like Me in Outlook, Copilot can personalize any email to match your unique style and tone of voice. It even gets the subtle details right, like how you sign off your emails. Introducing Copilot Lab, a new experience that will help people build new work habits for a new AI-powered era of productivity. Copilot Lab is a place to experiment, to learn the art and science of prompting. You'll learn how to turn a good prompt into a great one, share your favorite prompts with coworkers, and get inspired as we all learn to work in this new way together.
This is Surface Laptop Go 3. It's an incredible device for online creators, college students, and young professionals who need to get work done from anywhere. It's ultra portable, under 2.5 pounds, with a 12.4-inch touchscreen, and has premium features like a fingerprint power button and an absolutely incredible typing experience. It comes in 4 stunning colors. It's 88% faster than the original, with all-day battery life to power productivity, creativity, and entertainment, from early morning classes to the last episode streamed at night. This is Surface Laptop Studio 2, the most powerful Surface we have ever built. Unmatched productivity, versatility, and creativity, all in a single laptop. The original Surface Laptop Studio was the most performant device we had ever shipped, and this one is twice as fast. With an Intel 13th Gen i7 H-class processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 and 4060 GPUs, for designers, engineers, or 3D artists who need professional workloads, we also offer NVIDIA's RTX 2000. All that to say, this device powers graphics-intensive workloads with ease. It's the first Intel NPU on Windows, bringing you Windows Studio Effects.
I have a MacBook Pro M2 Max here, next to my Surface. We're going to do a bit of a side-by-side comparison of a real-life rendering workflow.
What can we do while we wait for the Mac?
Do you want to run a 7 billion parameter model locally?
Let's do it.
All right, so let's check this out. This is the Llama 2 LLM running locally on Laptop Studio. It's a generative language model, and it's trained on 2 trillion tokens that you can chat with. It's pretty awesome. So if you're a dev, you're going to want to run large language models like this locally. And to process these AI models, you need these powerful GPUs. As you can see, it's running seamlessly on Laptop Studio.
Awesome. It looks like Surface Laptop Studio 2 twice as fast as the MacBook Pro M2 Max.
Pretty amazing.
Thank you, Adrian.
Thanks.